Hi, I'm Todd Smith with Keller Williams and the Smith team. I'm here at our new listing, 4748 Cumberland Street in Shoreview, Minnesota. This is a detached townhouse, hard to find, main level living, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, over 3,000 finished square feet, tons of improvements and great amenities. Let's go check it out. Check out these beautiful maple floors. They were just refinished with a little bit darker stain to add some awesome contrast. Check out this awesome kitchen. We've got granite countertops, all brand new stainless steel appliances, upgraded lighting and cabinets. Check it out. Bring your friends, family over. Who wants to cook? I'm standing here in the main level living room area. Check out these beautiful 10-foot ceilings, bringing in a lot of natural light, open air space, and check out this. Awesome maple crown molding, beautiful built-ins with a cozy fireplace. I'm here in the primary suite. Awesome space. Again, you've got that 10-foot main level ceilings, upgraded fan and light, lots of space. Check out these 2 huge closets in the primary suite. This primary bathroom is light, bright, and a great way to start the morning. This lower level has brand new carpet and is an amazing space to entertain with friends, family, or just snuggle up on the couch and watch a movie. The lower level has a flex room with brand new flooring, and this is a great space to exercise, dance, or maybe just think and meditate. Check out this deck with all new maintenance-free decking and aluminum railings. What a great place to just enjoy Mother Nature and enjoy a cup of coffee. This detached townhouse in Shoreview offers main level living, which includes your bedroom, bathroom, second bath powder room, den, kitchen, and main level laundry, all on one level, 1,700 finished square feet to make your life easier. The pictures are awesome, but it shows even better in person. Call us today to schedule a showing or get more information. 651-398-8201.